Namaste, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Prakash here. So today I'm going to prepare beautiful nice chicken curry. It's a Bangalore style, especially a Gowda cuisine. It's very spicy rich gravy, full of flavors. So very basic ingredients. Some mint leaves, shallots, ginger garlic, tomato and green chilli. So take a pan, it's very simple, 1-inch cinnamon stick, couple of cloves, cardamom. So I'm going to use a lot of fennel here, it's very good for digestion, and poppy seeds, couscous, and half a spoon of pepper. So finely roast it for a couple of minutes till poppy seeds crackles. So transfer it to a blender. Same pan, heat some 1 or 2 spoons of oil. Add roughly chopped ginger, 10 to 12 garlic. I don't use a store-bought ginger garlic paste. No. So this is sambar onions or shallots. So saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. So add little couple of green chilies. So here I've taken 3 to 4 chilies. So here I'm using almost 3 spices. One is chili, pepper and red chili powder. So you can balance it out according to your spice levels. So add some chopped tomatoes, 1 or 2. 1 onion or 2 tomatoes enough for half a kg chicken. So roast it for a couple of more seconds. So 1 or 2 minutes till tomatoes get soft. So this kind of paste, most of the Gowda's cooking, it can be mutton curry, chicken curry, even vegetable. This is the basic paste we use. So transfer it to a blender. Here I'm adding half a spoon of red chili powder. So 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, 1 or 1.5 spoon. So 2 spoons freshly grated coconut, little turmeric. So and blend it to a fine paste. So at last you can add little mint leaves and coriander leaves. So I want that fine dotted marble texture. So mint and coriander leaves I'm adding at the last. So grind it to a fine paste. Yeah, see how rich it looks. Yeah, now paste is ready. Now let us finish the cooking. So heat pan. I've taken 1 or 2 spoons of oil. So I added finely chopped onions. So I'm going to fry it till the onion color changes. So I'm adding little mint leaves, finely chopped mint leaves. So mint leaves and turmeric, so it helps that chicken pungency will be there, and that raw, that smell is there. So this is going to help to remove that pungency, pungent smell. Turmeric is very important. Now in high flame, we roast it for a couple of, saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. This chicken curry goes excellent with ragi ball, finger millet balls, chapati, and even rice too. So saute it for at least 4 to 5 minutes. So now I'm adding little salt. So as per your taste, you can add salt. So here I'm using rock salt. So overall, whenever we cook chicken, cooking time should not exceed 15 to 18 minutes, else it will become brittle, hard. So keep it 15 to 18 minutes, that time the chicken will be tender, soft. So now I'm adding the paste, the grinded paste. Mix it thoroughly. Add water as per your desired gravy consistency. So I'm going to use this gravy for Ragi Mudde as well as for rice. So I want little thinner gravy. If you're using for chapati, so add very little water. This is a basic way of cooking chicken curry. So in village general, this paste will be grinded in a stone. That tastes excellent. So this is the consistency I need. So I've added almost 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup. So now cover the lid and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Let the flame let it be on medium high. So after 8 to 10 minutes or 7 to 8 minutes, see sides oil, it's oozing. So now I'm going to add little jeera powder and garam masala powder. It's almost done now. Just 2-3 minutes. Yeah, so oil is floating, so it means it's done. So look at the gravy consistency. Yeah, it goes very well with ragi ball as well as rice. It's a simple basic chicken curry, Bangalore style, Karnataka style. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share if you like. Namaste.